Glühwein, or gluhwein, is a traditional mulled wine usually served in Germany in December, outdoors at Christmas markets and winter fairs. My family and I first tried it in Düsseldorf, and since then I've been making it at home because it's the perfect cozy drink for cold winter evenings. Welcome to my show, Cooking Show at Home. Today, I'll show you how easy it is to make glühwein at home. As always, you can find the full list of ingredients in the description below. Please support my channel, like this video, and subscribe for more great recipes from around the world. Okay, let's start. Bring half a cup of water to a boil in a saucepan large enough to hold about 2 quarts. As soon as it starts boiling, add 1/4 cup of sugar. Granulated sugar works best. Next, add 1 bottle, 750 milliliters, of dry red wine. I'm using Merlot today, but any dry red wine will work, like Sauvignon or Chianti. Use something budget-friendly since the wine will absorb all the flavors from the spices anyway. Bring it just to a boil, then reduce the heat. While the wine is simmering, use a vegetable peeler to remove the zest from 2 small oranges or 1 large orange in wide strips, being careful to avoid the white pith. Set the zest aside. Now add the spices to the saucepan. 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks, 3 to 4 star anise, 10 to 15 whole cloves, 1 whole nutmeg or a small piece. Reduce the heat even further, cover with a lid, and let it gently simmer. Next, squeeze the juice from the oranges you zested earlier. Optionally, add a shot of hard liquor, traditionally rum or amaretto. I'm using white rum today. Keep the glühwein simmering on very low heat for at least 20 minutes or up to 1 hour for a deeper flavor. At the end, turn off the heat, add the orange juice and liquor mixture, and stir gently. Serve in heat-resistant glasses or glass jars, garnishing each with 3 to 4 strips of orange zest. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!